260,000 was the number of jobs lost due to the layoffs in 2023. Google, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, Yahoo, and Zoom are some of the biggest names that sent people home last year. These tech layoffs did slow down eventually towards the end of the year, but it looks like they are ramping up again. AI is the buzzword for 2024, and many people are fearing that AI will come and replace all of us. I personally think that that possibility is still many years away, so that should be the last of your problems. There has been a small momentum for tech companies to rebound at the beginning of this year, but because of the economical pressure and investors wanting higher profits each year, companies had their budgets reduced. We have started 2024 with Twitch announcing that it will lay off 35% of its current staff, followed by Duolingo slashing another 10% of its contractor workforce. According to Layoffs.fyi, so far we already have over 3,000 people that were laid off in the beginning of 2024, which if compared to last year's figure might seem small, but I want to remind you that of those 260,000 people from last year, not everyone has been able to find a new job yet. In the latest Randstad Rises Smart's global severance report, 96% of organizations implemented some sort of downsizing in 2023, and a staggering 92% is planning to do the same this year. These are just some of the predictions, and we know that tech layoffs are influenced by a multitude of factors. I don't want to alarm anyone, but each one of us should think about the long-term goal and be ready for the worst. Facing the possibility of a layoff at work can be a stressful and challenging situation. There are few steps that we can take to navigate these uncertain times. Always be interview ready. The future is not predictable, but what you can do to prepare yourself if the worst is to happen is to be ready to interview at short notice. Assess your finances. Make sure you have an emergency fund that can sustain you until you find the next gig. Upskill yourself. The tech industry is a bit particular, as engineers are supposed to stay up to date with the latest technologies and study in their own time. The best thing you can do is to also develop skills outside of tech, which could potentially come handy one day. I just want to conclude saying, remember to stay positive. Layoffs happen all the time and it can be a challenging situation to be in, and the best thing you can do to yourself is to be prepared. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it somewhat useful to reach your goal. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, as it allows me to keep creating more and better content for you, all completely free of charge. See you on the next video.